The Silent 120 Explorer is the pinnacle of eco-friendly luxury yachting. This 34-meter solar-powered catamaran combines advanced technology, comfort, and sustainability to deliver an unparalleled maritime experience. Powered by an impressive 800 kWh battery bank and 40 kilowatts peak photovoltaic panels, the yacht achieves a cruising speed of 14 knots using only solar energy. Its Class A ocean certification ensures safe and confident navigation across vast waters. The interior boasts 6 luxurious staterooms, a spacious salon, a fully equipped kitchen, and a flybridge that offers breathtaking views. Guests can enjoy premium amenities, including a jacuzzi, sauna, gym, movie theater, and wine cellar, ensuring every moment aboard is indulgent and relaxing. With accommodations for up to 12 guests and 6 crew members, this yacht redefines onboard living. The Overbow 100F is the future of personal watercraft, offering an exhilarating and eco-friendly way to explore the water. Powered by a cutting-edge silent electric propulsion system, this sleek vessel lets you glide effortlessly over the waves while enjoying an unmatched sense of freedom and tranquility. What sets the Overbow 100F apart is its innovative design, featuring 4 retractable, automatic hydrofoils that lift the craft above the water for exceptional control, stability, and a smooth ride. With a top speed of 17 miles per hour, 15 knots, the Overbow 100F can run for up to 2 hours on a single charge, giving you plenty of time to explore your surroundings. Compact and user-friendly, it comes equipped with a storage compartment and an easy-to-read LED display. Lightweight and simple to maneuver, it's perfect for beginners or seasoned water enthusiasts seeking a thrilling ride. Priced at just $19,999, the Overbow 100F combines innovation, style, and accessibility, making it the ultimate watercraft for adventure seekers ready to ride the waves like never before. ASA has successfully completed the inaugural test flight of its electric, street-legal flying car, the ASA A5. This innovative vehicle combines the functionality of a car, airplane, and helicopter, offering an entirely new and versatile driving experience. Although we're still decades away from fully integrating flying cars into daily life, ASA's flying car is making that vision a reality. Based in Mountain View, California, ASA recently conducted the first airborne tests of its full-scale A5 prototype. The test was a success, occurring just a month after the company received approval from the Federal Aviation Administration, FAA, to begin flight testing. ASA is now working towards certifying the A5, which is estimated to cost $789,000. The company plans to launch the ASA A5 in 2026, paving the way for a future where flying taxis could become commonplace in the skies. 2 halves. Introducing the Mansory Flying Hypercar, a visionary concept that merges high-end automotive luxury with futuristic aerial capabilities. Drawing inspiration from iconic supercars like the Ferrari Enzo and Lamborghini, this stunning vehicle boasts a sleek, aerodynamic design, complete with winglets, large panoramic windows, and upward-opening doors. Although still a concept, the Mansory Empower offers a glimpse into the future of personalized, luxurious travel, blending the thrill of high-speed driving with the freedom of flight. This cutting-edge design sets new standards for innovation and performance, showcasing the potential to revolutionize transportation. With its captivating blend of style and functionality, the Mansory Empower could redefine what it means to travel in the future, elevating the experience to new, luxurious heights. 2 halves. The KiwiGoo T1 marks a major leap forward in high-tech air transportation. This flying car combines the best of both worlds, a drone-like all-electric powertrain and a capsule design with 6 propeller wings, offering a revolutionary way to travel. With its unique ability to soar above traffic, the T1 is perfect for quick, efficient trips. It boasts a top speed of 45 miles per hour, a 30 kilometers range, and a flight time of up to 30 minutes, making it an ideal choice for short urban journeys. Designed with an X-type safety belt, the pilot can enjoy expansive views through the cockpit, which features a front window, rear windshield, and open sides. While no official pricing has been set, it's clear that the KiwiGoo T1 is targeting a high-end market, having invested millions into developing cutting-edge prototypes. This flying car represents the future of personalized air travel. 2 halves. The Nalwa 5X is a cutting-edge electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) aircraft that combines compact design with exceptional performance. Slightly larger than an SUV, it redefines space efficiency for urban and regional air travel. Capable of reaching speeds up to 400 km per hour and operating at a service ceiling of 2,000 meters, the Nalwa 5X provides autonomous flight capabilities for up to 1.5 hours, with an additional 15-minute reserve. Equipped with 12 advanced electric duct fans in a pivoting propulsion system, it delivers unmatched maneuverability, stability, and control. The aircraft's modular interior allows seamless reconfiguration for various missions, from passenger transport to cargo delivery. Its commitment to safety and innovation is reflected in its robust design and advanced propulsion technology. With the tagline, "Never let you down," the Nalwa 5X represents the future of air travel, combining versatility, efficiency, and cutting-edge technology to meet the evolving demands of modern transportation. The Flying Taxi Ofir Design is an innovative solution for seamless urban transportation. With its vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities and fully autonomous operation, it eliminates the need for a pilot. Simply input your destination and enjoy the ride. Designed for ultimate comfort, the interior offers a luxurious experience for 2 passengers, complete with a panoramic windshield that provides breathtaking views of the city below. The sleek, aerodynamic exterior combines modern aesthetics with high-performance engineering, creating a vehicle that looks as futuristic as it feels. More than just a concept, the Flying Taxi Ofir Design represents a groundbreaking approach to urban mobility, promising to revolutionize the way we navigate cities. It's a bold step into the future of travel, where convenience, innovation, and style come together to redefine transportation.